the Golden Bay Land Holdings family. Wow, another milestone year for us. So, unang-una sa lahat, thank you very much for all the effort na ginawa nyo para maging matagumpay ang ating taon.
Happy Family Day!
I guarantee na kung sama-sama tayo next year, mas magiging mas matatag tayo, mas magiging open tayo sa new challenges. And hopefully, we can overcome all those challenges.
So ngayon, hindi lang tayo nagsa-celebrate ng Christmas, kung hindi, nagpapasalamat dahil tapos na naman ang isang taon, magkakasama tayo. Mabuhay ang Golden Bay Land! Okay, smile!
Remember, every one of us is very important sa organization. So I hope manatili lang yung tiwala nyo, manatili yung passion nyo towards the company, at sana sama-sama natin malampasan ang mga pagsubok na darating. Once again, ang aking paalala, alam niyo naman yan. Golden Bay team, let's execute. One more time, let's execute. And last but not the least, let's execute. Para magawa natin yung tagline natin na infinite possibilities. Para yung Garden City maging truly your ultimate urban paradise. Thank you and have a good day.
Execute!